Why are Americans so in love with innovators?
You're gonna see some serious shit.
We wait breathless to see a genius on display. Oh yeah. Hughes Gadgets, Doc Brown, the A-Team, NASA's computers. Oh yeah, and a Martian.
3, 2,
So, yeah,
1,
I blew myself up.
fire!
We cheer for these heroes because they embody what we wish our world was. I'm here to tell you, it's what our world is. Hidden behind blank building exteriors across America are teams of innovators, inventors. We call them manufacturers. Manufacturing is back. Want to be the hero? Join the club.